My name is Seth Frankel. I'm the principal of Studio Tectonic, a museum exhibition design firm in Boulder, Colorado. We think of exhibitions as the marriage between an audience and those who want to communicate to that audience. What is the biology department about? What does it want to convey? And who are the people that the biology department is conveying to? There isn't a person that comes into this biology department that doesn't have a love for the natural world. Sometimes in the natural world, they might be outside just simply walking and taking it in for its beauty. Other times here in the laboratory or out in the field, they might be examining with incredible level of intensity and trying to derive meaning and make connections out of it. And we see the relationship between the displays and the exhibits in that same kind of way. In a lot of ways, biophilia is a simple concept to make a connection and to build the affinities between space and people through the natural world, a space from which we are all from. It's very easy to look at these displays and say, okay, let's put green here, let's show natural photos there, and somehow we're making it biophilic. But in truth, what we're trying to do in these exhibits is really much more heartfelt and more meaningful than that. It's about making reference not just through the visuals, but through the very fabric of the organization. And that's where exhibits are so strong, because exhibits allow you to organize your ideas around the concept. And the concepts of the natural, the way it's structured and layered, and the kinds of inquiry that we want, that is so embedded within the biophilic approach. And the displays do that for us. A lot of the natural world is not particularly pretty, but it is beautiful. When we look at things in close proximity and when we're examining things in an unconventional way and when we play with scale and display, our ability to make connection to those natural systems becomes more powerful. The exhibits can't simply just be stunning and beautiful, they also have to be engageable. And so humor and lightheartedness play a big role in that. Having giant sperm trying to enter the egg of the displays is a fun way to play with the space. Use of a Volkswagen Beetle mixed in with the rest of the insect displays kind of as a discovery element that keeps it a little bit lighthearted. That kind of playfulness and that kind of whimsy is what adds a little bit of joy and satisfaction beyond just beauty and meaning making. We felt it was a critical relationship between the displays themselves and the architecture, that one was not applied to the other, but rather integrated into the entirety as a system, which is in fact a reflection of the natural world.